I don't want to.
And get up out of the chair when you feel like it.
It's kind of weird when you see them look at your.
We're at what's this? Canaveral Port? Cape Canaveral. Cape Canaveral.
No, this is
Having
not
dinner with the family.
This is not Orlando.
Yeah, this is not Orlando. And there goes the Adventures of the Sea. Anything to say, Jared?
Yeah, man, it's cool.
Good, Daddy-O.
How about you? You got anything to say?
Oysters are okay.
Big fries of oysters.
That was Jerry.
You got anything to say?
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is another milestone in the Canaveral.
Mom. Yeah. Mom. There we go. Anything to say, Mom? Yeah, got anything to say, Maxine?
Anything you want to say about Biden?
Got anything to say?
Maryland.
Maryland?
I got you.
She's pointing at you.
What am I doing? What part? What are we talking about?
Whatever you want to talk
Well,
about.
yeah. Just glad everybody's here.
There we go.
That's
Oh, there we go.
How nice. And y'all stay tuned.
Yeah.
It'll be up on YouTube.